Wi-Fi connection problems with your EE Box Mini are more common than you might think. Many users experience issues ranging from password authentication failures to compatibility problems with modern routers. Password authentication failure is the most frequent issue, affecting 35% of all connection problems. This means more than 1 in 3 users struggle with getting their device connected to their home network. Router compatibility is a significant concern. Specific issues have been identified with certain BT Smart Hub 2 and Sky routers. These routers may require special configuration to work properly with the EE Box Mini. Your network must meet specific requirements for optimal performance. The minimum standard is 802.11n, but 802.11ac is recommended for better reliability and speed. Understanding these standards is crucial for troubleshooting connection issues. Bandwidth requirements vary depending on your streaming needs. For HD streaming, you need at least 10 megabits per second, while 4K content requires 25 megabits per second. Additionally, keep your EE Box Mini within 30 feet of your router for optimal performance. If you're experiencing connection issues, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. Power cycle your EE Box Mini by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then restart your router. This simple step resolves many common connectivity problems and should be your first attempt at fixing connection issues. The primary method to connect your EE Box Mini to Wi-Fi starts with navigating to the Settings menu. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Wi-Fi Setup. If the primary method doesn't work, try manual network entry. Select Add Network manually, then input your exact network name or SSID, which is case sensitive. Choose WPA2 PSK for security and enter your network password. For password-related issues, try simplifying your password temporarily by removing special characters. Access your router's admin panel to change the password, verify the exact capitalization of both network name and password, and for hidden networks, ensure you manually enter the SSID. For advanced troubleshooting, optimize your router's Wi-Fi channel. Switch to channels 1, 6, or 11 for the 2.4 GHz band, as these channels don't overlap with each other. Also set your router to 20 MHz channel width for better compatibility with the EE Box Mini. Access your router's web interface to make advanced configuration changes. Disable band steering if available, enable legacy mode for better compatibility, and consider using custom DNS servers like 888.8 and 8.8.4.4 for improved connectivity. As a last resort, perform a factory reset of your EE Box Mini. Hold the reset button for 10 seconds during startup. This will restore all settings to default, so you'll need to set up your device again, but it often resolves persistent connectivity issues. These step-by-step solutions should resolve most EE Box Mini Wi-Fi connection issues. Start with the basic connection method, then progress through manual entry and password troubleshooting before attempting advanced router configuration or factory reset. Most connection problems are resolved with the first few steps.